Hello friends, hope you all are safe and healthy. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe it. It motivates me to create more interesting videos related to science. Today we will be doing an experiment related to magnetic levitation. Magnetic levitation is a method by which an object is suspended in air with the help of magnets. As we all know that the magnets have two poles, the North Pole and the South Pole. Levitation is based on two basic properties of magnets, that like poles repel each other and unlike poles attract each other. I am having two ring magnets. As we can see that the unlike poles are attracting each other and the like poles are repelling each other. Now let's see whether this repelling force can suspend one of the ring magnets in air. The configuration doesn't have stability, so the magnet slides and falls down. Now let's provide stability to this with the help of a pencil. I am inserting one of the ring magnets in the pencil. Let us insert the second magnet with the same pole. The above ring magnet is levitating because of the repulsive forces of the bottom magnet. This is the simplest example of levitation. As you can see that the magnet is freely floating and jumping on the cushion provided by the magnetic field. Now let us see levitation of a pencil. For this we require 4 big ring magnets. 2 of these ring magnets are fixed in the front and the remaining 2 are fixed at the distance of around 8 to 9 centimeters. Now we will take a pencil and fix slightly smaller ring magnets on it. But we have to ensure 2 important points first. The ring magnet on the pencil should repel the base ring magnet. You can see that both the front and back ring magnets on the pencil are repelling the corresponding base magnet. The back ring magnets on the pencil should be exactly in line with the base ring magnets, and the front ring magnets on the pencil should be slightly in front of the front base ring magnet. To provide stability to the system, a small piece of hardboard is put in front so that the tip of the pencil can rest on it. Now I will put the pencil in the system to see whether it levitates or not. You can see that the pencil is freely levitating in air without any physical support. I will pass this bookmark from below to show that there is no physical contact to support the pencil. Now I will rotate the pencil to show that the system is highly stable. The pencil is levitating purely due to the repulsive forces of magnets. This diagram clearly explains the phenomena. First, we have to understand what are the forces that are acting on the pencil. The base ring magnets at the back are repelling the ring magnets in the pencil. Since these ring magnets are in line with each other, there is net force in the upward direction. The gravitational force of the earth is pulling this pencil in the downwards direction. It is important to look at the forces acting on the front ring magnet of the pencil. As the ring magnets on the pencil are slightly in front of the base ring magnets, the repulsive force is in a slightly tilted direction. This force will have a vertical component and a horizontal component. The horizontal component of force is exerted on this piece of hardboard. As per Newton's third law, this horizontal force is balanced by equal and opposite forces exerted by the hardboard on the pencil. There is also a small frictional force exerted on the pencil in upward direction. Now we can see that three forces are applied on the pencil in vertically upward direction. First is the repulsive force of the base magnet at the back, second is the repulsive force of the base magnets at the front, and third is the frictional force on the tip of the pencil. There is only one force in the vertically downward direction, which is the gravitational force on the pencil. Therefore, we can say that the magnetic repulsive forces and the frictional force balance the weight of the pencil. Since both the horizontal and vertical forces are balanced, the pencil is in a state of stability and levitates. If this hardboard is removed, there is tendency of pencil to move in forward direction due to horizontal repulsive force. Suppose if there is continuous series of base magnets, then a magnetic field river is created. There is tendency of pencil to move forward like a train. Same phenomena is used in maglev trains. Maglev trains are the high-speed trains which run on the principle of magnetic levitation. Since there is no friction other than air drag, maglev trains can achieve top speed of 430 km per hour. Maglev trains have two sets of magnets, one set to repel and push the train off the track, thus causing levitation. Second set of magnets move the train forward, thus causing propulsion. On the sideways, electromagnets are used which are energized by three-phase alternating currents. However, on board, there are superconducting magnets. The magnetic field produced by these alternating currents attract and repel the superconducting magnets on train, thus propelling it in forward direction. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Kindly like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.